So this is a tonsil stone remover with the camera from the brand Toosshow. And this is a visual remover kit that actually might make it way easier and more efficient if you struggle with tonsil stones. This kit includes everything you need: the replaceable spoons, ear picks, 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters for different size stones. Plus, this is rechargeable, so that makes it very convenient. And there's even an irrigation syringe and a tongue cleaner as well. This was so easy to set up with the app because this comes with a 7.2-inch endoscope that records in 1080p. The quality of the live view is so great. This is definitely a great tonsil stone remover kit with the camera. I highly recommend this from Toosshow, and you can check this out in the link below and grab it for yourself today.